Friends, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. So today I will show you in this video how in the Angel Robo trade you can take the order, and in this order you can put the stop loss, target and entry at the same time. So first of all, as you can see here, I have taken the watch list and here I will add the 46,500 call. So once you select the call, in the down you can see there is the buy switch. So you will just put it in the buy switch. And there are two type of orders, carry forward order and intraday order. So you will go to the intraday order. Once you go to the intraday order, below this you see there are three type of orders: smart order, stop loss order, cover order, robo order. You will just activate the robo order. Once you put the robo order, you can keep the target and the stop loss. For example, you want to keep a stop loss of 10 rupees, you can put the stop loss, and you can keep the target for, suppose you want 20 rupees, so you will put the target of 20 rupees. So how many quantity you want to take, you have to put it here, and you can take the trade. For example, number of lots, here you have put the number of lots. We will put it one lot. So once we put it one lot and put all the details, we will go it for the buy. Okay, here you have to put it in the value. For example, the market present value of the stock is 33, so we want to keep it as 53, so we will put it as 53. And the stop loss in the present market is 32, we want to keep, suppose for example, as 22, so we will put it here. After we put this and we enter the trade, the order will be executed. We will just wait few seconds before we place the order. This is a very good way to safeguard our trade basically. So friends, now if you want to buy the order, we will just put the buy button. If there is a order switch of confirm, we will put the confirm. Once we put the confirm, the order is placed, but it's pending, and the order will be executed in few seconds of time. The order will be executed. You will go to the order section. Here in the positions we can see, and here we can see the order is still pending. We can click the order and we can check how the order is going on. The price is also showing, and we can go to the order book also. See here, no order book, since the price is pending for this particular item. Once we click here, we can edit the order also if we want. What is the price we want to buy? We want to buy it as the limit price. You can put the price at the same price only, it will be executed. For example, we want to buy this in 36. We will put it within 36, the stock will be purchased. We will put the confirm switch, and see now the order is executed. So our stop loss is 25 and our target is 56. Both the orders are placed in the system. If you go in the position, you can see here, for example, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 51 rupees profit it is showing. So this is how the orders are being executed, and it will work. We will wait few seconds and we will show you. For example, I want to edit this one. We can even edit this one also. The price we want as 63. So we will just put this price as 63 and it will take, or we want to put it as 60. Suppose we want to put this as 60. We will keep this as 60 or 58. Any price we want, we can keep it. We will just put the confirm button and just hold and see what it happens now. So see, we are still going in the trade. It's taking, the order is going, is placed, and the order is finished. So now the price is at 62, it is going, and our order is booked. So we make a profit in this trade, and you can see this is how the price changes in the expiry day, and it hit our the basic stop loss target also.